Yeah?
Sure.
Say dress. Say dress. Go ahead, say it. Say dress. No. No, not Sergio. Yeah, what are you saying? Yeah? What are you saying, Alyssa? Are you saying something you're not supposed to? What did you say? Say dress. Say dress. Dress. What? What? Sergio? She's cracking herself up. Say Sergio. Say no.
No.
Say Elmo.
Mama.
Say Elmo. Say Elmo. Oh. Can you say Elmo? Alyssa.
Mama.
Say choo choo. Say truck. Say truck. What? Sergio? Wait till Uncle Sergio sees you next month. Where did Uncle Sergio go? She's so cute. Say Elmo. Say Elmo. Say Elmo. Oh, Alyssa, what's the other word you know how to say? Turtle. Say turtle. Say turtle. What? Are you being silly now? Are you being silly?